Finding the perfect beginner revolver can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're just stepping into the world of firearms or looking for a reliable, easy-to-use handgun, revolvers offer unmatched simplicity and dependability. Finding the perfect beginner revolver can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're just stepping into the world of firearms or looking for a reliable, easy-to-use handgun, revolvers offer unmatched simplicity and dependability. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today we're diving into the top 5 best beginner revolvers that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 best beginner revolvers that combine safety, ease of handling, and excellent performance. Imagine the confidence you'll feel holding a revolver that fits perfectly and delivers every time. Ready to find your ideal match? Let's dive in. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is Crosman CCP8B2. The Crosman CCP8B2 is the ultimate choice for airgun enthusiasts craving a blend of precision and realism. With its full metal frame and single or double action capability, it offers the authentic feel of a real firearm, making every shooting session exhilarating. Fueled by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge, this powerhouse delivers an impressive 435 FPS, ensuring both performance and excitement. Its dual rotary clips, 10 rounds for 177 caliber pellets and 6 rounds for 45mm BBs, provide versatility for varied shooting experiences. The fixed blade front sight and adjustable rear sight allow you to stay on target with ease, making it perfect for honing your skills or simply having fun. Can you imagine the satisfaction of hitting your target with precision? Pair it with Crosman Copperhead BBs and pellets for an unforgettable air-powered adventure. Ready to elevate your shooting game? Grab your Crosman CCP8B2 today and feel the thrill firsthand. At number 4 is Umarex Colt Revolver. The Umarex Colt Peacemaker is more than just an airgun. It's a nostalgic masterpiece that brings the Wild West to life. With its iconic design and full metal frame, this Frontier 6-shooter captures the essence of the classic Colt revolver. Whether you're a history enthusiast or just love unique airguns, this is a must-have addition to your collection. How cool would it be to own a piece of history? Shooting 177 caliber pellets at up to 380 FPS, the Peacemaker offers power, precision, and an authentic experience. The 6-round capacity, complete with realistic pellet casings, makes every reload satisfying and immersive. Powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge hidden in the grip, it's easy to use and economical. Perfect for target practice or simply displaying its timeless design, this revolver is a thrill to own. Ready to channel your inner cowboy? Grab the Umarex Colt Peacemaker today. The third one on our list is Elite Force Umarex. The Elite Force Umarex single-action 6-shooter is a masterpiece that combines history, craftsmanship, and thrilling airsoft performance. Modeled after the iconic 1872 revolver, its build quality, finish, and weight deliver an authentic feel that transports you straight to the Wild West. Can you imagine the excitement of gripping a piece of history in your hands? This airsoft revolver shoots 6mm plastic BBs at up to 300 FPS, ensuring impressive performance for casual or competitive play. Each shot feels immersive, thanks to its individual ejecting metal cartridges and 6-round capacity. Reloads have never been this fun. The revolver comes with 6 BB cartridges and is compatible with spare parts, making it practical and versatile. Whether you're an airsoft enthusiast, a history lover, or both, this revolver delivers unmatched satisfaction. Ready to step into the boots of a gunslinger? Grab the Elite Force Umarex and make history yours today. On number 2 is River Airgun. The Bear River Schofield BB and pellet pistol is a true homage to one of the most iconic revolvers of the Old West, capturing the spirit of legendary figures like Jesse James and Wyatt Earp. Holding this stunning replica feels like stepping back in time. Can you imagine wielding the same style of revolver favored by cowboys and lawmen? This airgun combines vintage charm with modern craftsmanship. Its top break design, true to the original Model 3, offers smooth reloading and an authentic shooting experience. Whether you're firing BBs or pellets, the precision and performance are remarkable, letting you relive the thrill of the frontier. Perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a unique shooting experience, the Bear River Schofield is more than just a replica. It's a piece of history in your hands. Are you ready to channel your inner cowboy? Don't miss this legendary revolver. Now moving to the last one is ASG Dan Wesson. The ASG Dan Wesson 715 revolver is the ultimate blend of power, precision, and authenticity. With its full metal construction and substantial 1.2 kilogram weight, this airgun feels robust and realistic in your hands, making every shot a satisfying experience. The 6-inch heavy barrel with a vent rib not only enhances accuracy, but also allows for mounting accessories, perfect for customizing your setup. Powered by CO2, this revolver achieves an impressive velocity of up to 426 FPS, making it ideal for target practice or backyard shooting fun. The smooth trigger pull, front cylinder release latch, and precise drum lock mechanism create a shooting experience so genuine you'll forget it's an airgun. Complete with a speed loader and 6 cartridges, the Dan Wesson 715 offers unmatched functionality and style. Ready to feel like a sharpshooter? Don't miss this masterpiece. Click the link in description and take aim today. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best beginner revolvers. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you